Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile Mechanic 757, looking at a 2001 Jeep Wrangler, doing a pre-purchase used car inspection. Young lady was very smart and she actually hired us to do it. There's a lot of hidden gems that she probably didn't know. One of the hidden gems I always am very concerned about is rust. This car has rust all over it, and this is pretty much on the frame, so I barely touch anything. Let me do this one, and you can see it crumbling in different areas, and I'm barely touching it and it's crumbling. You can I'm barely touching anything. So the person tried to paint over it, and actually you can't paint over rust, you actually have to fix it. And this is the reason, one of the reasons why you get a pre-purchase used car inspection. Also, the vehicle is missing the drive shaft for the 4x4 system. Not even there. She could drive it in two-wheel, but a lot of the vehicle has been painted over. Here's another one right behind the tire. Barely touching it, and it is crumbling. I mean, you can just see it crumbling. So I'm not going to show you the whole entire vehicle, but a lot of this vehicle has been just painted over, which is going to be detrimental to the customer if she does not get this fixed, and it's not going to be a cheap fix. And you might find rust right there all the way through. And this is just one of the reasons why you get a pre-purchase used car inspection. Chrome does not take you home. When people buy cars, they're buying on emotions. Use logic. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. The only purpose of this video is to show you why you need to have a pre-purchase used car inspection. Do not skip this. That's like going to court without an attorney. And of course, you have what everybody else told you versus what reality is. Thank you.